Hi fellow Rundeckers. I'd like to address a popular question that just came in today, and it goes like this. I have 5 jobs that I'd like to run in Rundeck, but I only want job 3 to run if job 1 and 2 have completed successfully. How can I do that? The answer is complex workflows in Rundeck Enterprise. Let's go and look at a bit of an example. Here, I'm going to find a job that already has a complex workflow set up inside of it, and we'll look at how it runs, and then we'll do a little bit of editing. So here's our job. Let's run it. Now, if you look up at the job output and you view the workflow, you can see a graphical representation, not only of what the workflow looks like, but people can monitor this workflow in real time as the job is being run. And I've sped this up for the sake of brevity. Very, very handy. Now, let's go edit this job and I'll show you how it's set up. If we go over to the workflow inside of this job, you'll see that the syntax for building complex workflows in Rundeck is extremely simple. We have more documentation on it in our docs online, and we'll show you that, but let's go add another error step to this workflow. Very easy, add an error step, and as you can see, you can add all sorts of different options on how to handle this error inside of Rundeck. For example, I might just type an output, this job failed. But again, if you've got plugins and options we can use inside of Rundeck, the possibilities are pretty limitless. Now here's something important. We can decide whether we want this workflow to continue on error, or if we want the job to stop. Let's go back and look at the definition inside of Rundeck. Now you can see we've chose to not continue, and the workflow will handle the error and then quit. However, we could go into the job and change that option. Instead, we'll use an error handler, but we'll let the error handler run. In this example, let's go create a ticket in ServiceNow, letting everybody know this particular job step has failed, but we're going to let the workflow continue on inside of our example. And here is how to do that. Again, put in your workflow options, but we're just going to let that keep going on success box stay checked inside of our environment. As you can see, if we look at the definition, now that workflow strategy is allowing the error to run and then continue back on with the job. You can stack these up as you see fit to help with complex workflows inside of your Rundeck deployment. Once again, thanks for joining us. We'll put some links below this video to some of the documentation and a little bit more useful information. If you like this video or any others, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're going to keep putting great content for you to help you be a happier and more productive Rundecker. Have a great day.